Hey scholars, this is Ms. Williams here with a quick tutorial on how to open a PDF and be able to type right on the screen. So this week I gave you guys an assignment and I gave you a graphic organizer and I taught you how to type right on the screen. Some of you guys missed it, so here's a recap. Okay, so what I want you guys to do first is to type in your search engine on Google DocHub, DocHub, and click enter. It's going to pull up this website for you. Okay, once you've gotten to this website, go ahead and click, and here you are. Because I'm already logged in, I didn't have to log in again. But if you've never used this before and it's prompting you to log in, go ahead and click on log in with Google and use all of your school credentials in order to log in. Okay? Once you have logged in, you don't need this tab anymore. So, we're going to find a PDF. If you're in my class, this week I gave you a graphic organizer for your first read. I'm going to pull up that PDF. So if someone emails you a PDF, you can pull it up here. And initially, this is what it's going to look like. And you can't type from here. But I'm going to show you how. Since you've opened up that DocHub, once you've opened up the PDF, I want you to go up here to where it says Open With. Click there, and you can use DocHub or you can use Lumen. For this particular case, we're going to use DocHub. So you're going to click here, and there you have it. It opens up and you can type right on the screen. See, watch me type my name. Once you have filled out any of the openings on the document, you can fill in all of the openings here, and you want to save it. You're going to come up here to download, and you can download it to wherever you want it to go. So you'll download, and it'll save it right there on your desktop. Okay? I hope this helps you guys. This is not just for my class. This is for any class that someone sends you a PDF so that you can write directly on the screen. Okay? Y'all have a great day.